Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is Correct Bet. I want to show you how you can use these trees to play different options. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell. So these trees start from how to play this straight win, how you can play this straight win, and also how you can use it to play over 2.5. So this straight win is like this. Once you see odd that is double like this, like 1.44 or 1.33 or 1.22, what you do is you play it direct win or you play it over 2.5. See odd like this for over 2.5, like 1.69 on it, then under is going to be 2.15. So let me show you how you do this. Once you come to double chance first, you see small odd like this, like 1.1112 or 1.07 or 1.05 for that particular home. And this straight win is only meant for home alone. Then on away you have to see odds like 6.60 like this, or 6.70 or 6.80 or 6.90 or 7.50, 60 or 7.80. Then you play home direct win. There must be 0 for away. There must be 0 attached to any big odd for away before you play the home straight win. So, but first of all, guys, in case you want to join us on a 2 weeks rollover, you can join us by clicking on the description of this video. Then you will see the WhatsApp group. You can join us on our WhatsApp. The group link on WhatsApp is on the description of this video. So once you open the description of this video, you will see the WhatsApp link. Then you can join us on WhatsApp. So let me continue with a straight win here. So another one here is how you can use it to play over 2.5 is this way. Maybe you come to something like this, 1.53, then the draw is 4.20 or 5.30. There must be 0 on the draw. So once you see something like this, you go to over 2.5. Make sure you know the name of that particular team. You go to over 2.5. Remember, it's the Crystal Palace. That one is the Crystal Palace. So let's see their odd for over 2.5. You see the odd. So this is how you play it. Then let's check on both teams to score. How both teams to score works. Once you come to both teams to score, you see any odd with 2 odd for yes, both teams to score, like 2.04, 2.05, 2.01. Then on no both teams to score, you see odd attached to the last odd, the last number attached to the odd, like as you can see 5 here, then you see 6 here, or you see 2 here while you see 1 here. So what you do is to play it yes, both team to score, which means there must be go, which is a both team to score. Yes, you choose yes, both team to score. As you can see here, 5, 6. 5 is the last year, while 6 is the last year. So you can do it to other numbers apart from 8 and 9. So like this one, you can see 1, you can see 2 here. So at the last odd. So this is how you play it, both team to score. So in case you want to join us on WhatsApp group, you can go to the description of this video and click the link on the description of this video and join us on WhatsApp, or chat me on WhatsApp. I add you up 07036760527. correct bet WhatsApp number still remain 07036760527 for correct bet. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on notification bell. I will be uploading another video very soon after this video. Alright guys, thank you for watching.